Have you ever experienced a persistent cough that just won't quit, especially when you are trying to sleep? It is incredibly frustrating to have your rest disturbed by a cough that feels like it comes out of nowhere, leaving you tired and sometimes worried about what might be causing it. Yes, if you frequently experience chronic coughing at night, particularly if it is persistent and unexplained by common colds or allergies, you should absolutely get it checked by a healthcare professional. Night coughing can be a significant indicator of an underlying health condition, such as acid reflux or gastroesophageal reflux disease, often called GERD, which warrants medical attention. The primary reason acid reflux can cause night coughing is due to stomach acid traveling back up into the esophagus, especially when you are lying flat. This acid can then irritate the sensitive tissues of your throat and airway, triggering a protective cough reflex. This nocturnal irritation often occurs because gravity is no longer helping to keep stomach contents down, making the reflux more likely to reach the upper respiratory tract. To determine if your night cough is related to reflux, your doctor will likely ask detailed questions about your symptoms and medical history. They might recommend specific diagnostic tests, such as an endoscopy or pH monitoring, to confirm if acid reflux is the cause. It is important to accurately describe your symptoms, including when the cough occurs, its characteristics, and any other symptoms you experience, such as heartburn, a sour taste in your mouth, or difficulty swallowing. An interesting fact is that for some individuals, night coughing may be their only noticeable symptom of GERD, a condition sometimes referred to as silent reflux or laryngopharyngeal reflux. This means they might not experience classic heartburn, making the cough a critical clue that something else is going on. Catching this early can prevent more significant irritation and potential damage to the esophagus and airways over time. Ultimately, persistent night coughing is your body's way of telling you that something might be amiss, and it is crucial to listen. Consulting a doctor allows for an accurate diagnosis and ensures you receive the most effective treatment plan, helping you find relief and vastly improve your quality of sleep and overall well-being.